Good morning, guys. Welcome to math class. Let's complete page 217 and 218. Factors and multiples is our topic. Let's begin. Exercise 17. The instructions here says tell whether 20 is a factor or multiples of the number. Write factor, multiple, neither. Neither is a negative. Neither means is not a factor, neither a multiple. So neither is no. Okay.
No, Camise. It has a eraser.
Okay, but let's focus on class, please. First number, 20. So we have to work with 20, this one. Tell whether 20 is a factor. Okay, let's check if 20 is a factor. Remember that a factor is a number multiplied by another number. So it's a multiplication. If 20 is a factor, might be 2 people. It would be 20 times, because that's a number multiplied by another number, equals 10. Is this one true? Guys, 20 times.
No.
If we multiply times 1, 20 times 1 equals
20. So no.
It's not a factor. Okay. Now let's check if 20 is a multiple of 10. So we change the order of the numbers, and now the 20 is a multiple. It means that it's a product of the multiplication. So we have 10 because we are working with this first number. 10 times equals
No, isn't either.
what happens if I multiply 10 by another number equals 20? Is that possible?
No.
Another student? Alan, is that possible? Bueno, Alan, you're gonna help me the whole class because you are sleeping. Alan,
I am multiply to Maria Jose.
Alan, multiply 10
Yes.
by another number. What number is missing here, Alan?
10.
10 times 10 equals 100. And I am looking for 20.
No.
10, Alan, quickly. 10 times. Alan. Alan, I'm waiting.
5.
10 times 5 equals 50. Look at the multiplications that I have here. I have 10 times the unknown number equals 20. Equals 20. 20, Alan. Tell me the table of 10, Alan. 10 times 1.
10.
10 times 2.
20.
There you have it. 20 is the number we are looking. So if we multiply 10 times 2 equals 20. So 20 is not a factor, but it is a multiple. So on the line, we're going to write multiple. That's what we have to write on the line. It's not a factor because there is not a number multiplied by 20 that equals 10. Well, actually it is, but we're not working with decimals. If we multiply 10 times 0.5, 0.5, this one equals 10. But we are not working with decimals. We are working with whole numbers. Now, okay, next exercise. Is 20 a factor of 20?
20 times 1 equals 20.
Yes, it is a factor. Yes, it is. It is a factor. What about a multiple? 20 times 1 equals 20. So I'm going to write it here. I'm going to write it here. 20 times 1 equals 20. So this 20 here, if we write a 20 here, it's a multiple. It's a factor, sorry. Factor times 1, 20 times 1 equals 20. This one is a factor. If we think about the 20 here in the product, it means that 20 also is a multiple. So that's, we have to write the two words here, factor, comma, multiple, because 20 is a factor of 20, but also 20 is a multiples of 20. Factor and multiple. Alan, show me your book. Because I think you are not working. Okay, the next one. What about this one, Kriste? Is 20 a factor of 30? So we have to multiply. 30 times a number equals, no, it's 20. 20 times the number equals 30. Table of 20, 20 times 1.
20.
20 times 2. So you add 20 more. So it's 20 plus 20.
40.
40. So it's greater than 30?
Yes.
20, so 20 is not a factor. 20 is not a factor, not a factor. Now let's check if 20 is a multiple. So we have to change the order of the numbers. 30 times a number equals 20. 30 times 1, Kristen?
30.
30 is greater than 20. So it's not a multiple too. So our answer here is, what is our answer? Not a factor, not a multiple. What do we have to write on the line?
Neither.
Neither, exactly. Not a factor, neither a multiple. There we have it, neither. That's what you have to write. Now, here, write true or, oh no, write true or false. And then says explain. Okay, every whole number, it's a multiples of 1. Every whole number is a multiples of 1. Every whole number is a multiple of 1. True. Why? Yes, it's correct. Because if you multiply a number times 1 equals that number. So, yeah. It is correct. True. For every, because this one is like the formula. Every number is n, okay? For every number n, we multiply n times 1 equals n. See? So 1, for every whole number is a multiple of 1, yes. So this is the multiple, n. If you multiply a number times 1, equals that number. Siempre va a ser el mismo. So it is true. Now the next one, every whole number.
So you said that you write good every.
Yeah, I did.
It says I read there every.
Every. Yeah, but it's written correctly. Every. Every whole number is a factor of 1. No. False. False. Ajá. Why? I'm going to give you an example. 2, for example. 2. It's not a factor of 1. 2 is not a factor of 1. Okay? 2 is not a factor of 1. So, it's false because it says every whole number. 3 is not a factor of 1. If I multiply 2 times 1 equals 2, not equals 1. 3 times 1 equals 3, not equals 1. And I can continue multiplying, and the numbers always will be different, not 1. The thing is that here says every whole number, so includes all the numbers, and that's not correct. Now, Julio wears a blue shirt every 3 days. Blue shirt every 3 days. So let's do that. Let's enclose the number every 3 days. Every 3 days. So let's count 1, 2, 3. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 3, 9. So let's count by 3. Then 12, 15, 18, 21. This is 3 times 7, 3 times 8, 3 times 9, and 30. Okay, so Julio wears blue shirt every 3 days. Those days in the calendar. Larry wears a blue shirt every 4 days. Every 4 days. So we have to change every 4 days. But I am gonna do in red because otherwise we're not gonna identify. Every 4 days. So 4 times 1 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 4 times 5 times 6 4 times 7. Now what happened on April 12th? On April 12th, both Julio and Larry wear a blue shirt. What is the next date that they will both wear a blue shirt? What is the other day? They coincident. 12 is 1. What is the next day?
24.
April 24th. So that's the answer. April 24th. See, I have a blue circle and a red square. So this day, Julio and Larry wear a blue shirt. April 24th. So far, so good? Copy. I know that some of the students connected late. Jose Enrique, for example, I don't know what is happening that Jose Enrique is connecting late. Okay. Adriana, I received a message saying that. Okay. I received a message from Adriana's mom saying that she has some problems. So I don't know if finally she's here. Oh yes, Adriana's here. So Adriana, Christopher is not in class.
I finished, Miss.
Okay, it is also connected late. Diego, Daniel, Gabriel. Hello, Gabriel. You missed my classes yesterday. I think I saw you just in one class. In reading, apparently. Just reading. Okay, Gabriel. Hazel, Iris, Isabella is missing. Isabella is not here, right? Okay. Let's continue with page 218. I guess everyone copied, right? 218, complete the Venn diagram. Venn diagram are these two circles, is a Venn diagram. In the middle, we are going to write similarities. Similarities, okay? At the sides, we're going to write differences. Differences, okay. So the problem says, complete the Venn diagram, then use it to solve exercise 23, 24, and 25. Factors of 48, oh, 48, sorry. Factors of 38. Okay, so I multiply 1 times 48. Factors of 48, 1, 48 is already here. 1 times 48, 48. Now, 48 is divisible by 2. Yes, because finishing an even number. 8 is even, número par. So it's 2, 2, now here up. 2 times 24. 2 times 24 here, because 24 is a common number. Now 3 is divisible by 3. Okay, let's check. 4 plus 8 equals 12. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. So yes, it is. 48 is divisible by 3. So it is 3 times, what number? 10, 14. 3 times 14. 3 times 16. Common number here, 3 times 16. Is divisible by 5? No, because it doesn't finish in 0 or 5. It's divisible by 6. Yeah, 6 times 8. 6 times 8 equals 48. Okay. Now here, first 12 multiples of 4. Multiples are the products. Are you copying, Alan? Because I see you're not copying. Me parece. You're not copying. No. Really? Are you? Okay, first 12 multiples of 4. 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 2, 8. Times 3, 12. Times 4, 16. Times 5, 20. 20 times 6, 24. Times 8. Times 7, 28. 28. Times, what number I am? 4 times 8. 4 times 7, 28. Then 4 times 8, 32. 4 times 9, 36. 4 times 10, 40. 40, and 4 times 11, 44, and 4 times 12, 48. It's there inside. Okay, those are the numbers you have to write inside in this Venn diagram. Now let's answer this question. What multiples of 4 are not factors of 28, of 48, sorry. What multiples? Remember the multiples are here, are not factors, and the factors are here of 48. So we have to write the numbers. Alan, sit down properly. If you lay down, usted no está viendo bien, está viendo los números de lado, no está poniendo atención, se ve muy adormecido, muy cansado, cero interés, así se ve usted. So what are the factors? 20, 28, that are not, what are the multiples? These ones that are not factors, because the factors are at the other side. 28, 32, 36, 40, and 44. Now the second question is what factors, this one, so 48, are multiples of 4?
8, 12, 16, and 24.
24. Yes, what factors of 48 are multiples of 4? Are the ones that are in the middle. Is no, you were correct. 4, 8, because are in the middle. What factors of 48 are multiples of 4? These one are multiples of 4. 4 times 1,
12, 16,
1.
and 24.
4 times 2, 8. So it's 8, 16, no, 12, 16, 24, and 48. Look back at problem 24. Write a similar problem by changing the numbers. Then solve. Okay, we're not going to answer this one because this one is create a problem. Look back at problem 24. And write a similar problem by changing the numbers, then solve. It could be 1 factors, factors of 48 are not multiples of 4.
Yes, miss.
Are not multiples of 4. What factors of 48 are not multiples of 4? These ones are not multiples of 4. Oh, well, actually 1, it is. What factors of 48 are not, oh, no, this one, 1, 2, 3, and 6. These ones.
Finish, miss.
Okay. Finished? Because I need to continue. I have exercise 26, 27, 28 in a box. 29. Hurry up, please, hurry up. I need to copy meanwhile I am working. Alan, ¿por qué está trabajando con lápiz tinta? Es matemáticas. Matemáticas.
No tengo otro.
Le vamos a escribir a su mamá porque cómo va a trabajar con tinta. Y cuando se equivoca, hace un terrible manchón. Y si se equivoca 3 veces con el mismo número, después no se va a entender nada. Quickly. 12, but she has only $10. 12 is not possible. It's 4 and 6. Si usted solo tiene 10 y pagó esos 10 for 2 items, what are the possible combination? 2 and 8, 4 and 6. Not 5 and 5 because 5 is not a multiples of 2. Si usted multiplica 2, nunca le va a dar 5. 2 por 1, 2, 2 por 2, 4, 2 por 3, 6. No le dio 5. Multiples. Multiples are the products. Now, 27. The answer is 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. What is the question? What is the question? Mire, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. What is the question? What is the question? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers, and these numbers are what? Are what? Where can you find those numbers? Belongs to a table. What table?
9.
9. So these one are not factors. Estos no son factors. So multiples. What are 5 multiples of 9? That's the question. Or could be what are multiples of 9? But this one are 5, so we write 5. 28. How do you know whether a number is a multiple of another number? Okay, a number, it's a multiple of another if it is divisible by that number, period. Okay. One more. The last exercise says, for exercise 28, 29A through 29E, select true or false for each statement. The first one. The number 45 is a multiples of 9. 45 is a multiples of 9. So multiply 9 times 1, 9 times 2, 9 times 3, 9 times 4, 9 times 5, 9 times 6. So if you find that 49, that 45, the answer is true.
5 times 9.
Yes, exactly. Exactly. 9 times 5 equals 45. So the first one is true. 9 times the second one. The number 4 is a multiples of 16.
True.
16
4
multiples.
4.
No, but it's the other way. Look at the first one. The number 45 is a multiples of 9. The number 4 is a multiples of 16. So you have to multiply 16. 16 times 1, 16 times 2, 16 times 3.
It's
Finished.
false.
Is false, exactly. So the first one here is true. The second one is false. Now the number 28, it's a multiples of 4. Here, let's multiply 4. 4 times 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 6 times 7 times 8. Yes, 4 times 7, 28. The number 4 is a factors of 28.
Yes.
Yes, 4 times 7 equals 28. The number 32 is a factor of 8. 32 times 1, 32 times 2, 32 times 3. It says that it's a factor. No, it's false. It's not a factor. It's a multiple. Okay, so true, true, false. If you finish, you can dismiss the class. It's time for your next.
Bye.
For the next class. Bye-bye. See you later. Bye-bye.